Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Sono Contour is probably one of the most innovative and sought-after non-invasive body sculpting devices on the market, promising a revolutionary approach to body contouring without surgery or downtime. In this video, we will deep dive into its features, benefits, and everything you need to know before making a purchase decision, so you can determine if this device is the right fit for your needs and expectations. Number 5. NuFACE Trinity Starter Kit. Experience the power of microcurrent with the NuFACE Trinity. It's a professional-level device you can use at home for a mini facial lift. Enjoy a quick and effective treatment. It only takes 5 minutes a day to see a visible difference in your skin's appearance. This device uses gentle electrical waves to stimulate facial muscles. It helps to tone, lift, and contour your face, mimicking your body's natural current. See a reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles with regular use. It helps tighten your skin and improve your overall complexion. Simply cleanse your face, apply the hydrating gel primer, and glide the device across your face and neck. It's that easy. NuFACE is a leader in at-home beauty devices. It's clinically shown to deliver both instant and long-term results. What we like? It provides a quick and effective facial lift in just 5 minutes a day. If you are looking for a clinically proven way to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, this is the device for you. This is perfect for busy individuals who want visible results without a major time commitment. What people say. I have been using it for 3 weeks and I am actually seeing results. I am 64, and nothing that I have tried in the way of products or devices has ever worked for me. After a few weeks I started seeing subtle improvements, and my skin seems to look better, firmer and brighter, each day. By using the device, along with a skincare regimen using products for aging skin, my skin feels tighter and more supple than it did before using the device. I've been using it for about 2 weeks and definitely see a difference in my skin. The biggest difference is my eyes. They are open and lifted and are not laying on my eyelid. I can actually see my eyeshadow. Number 4. Face Massager Electric. It features 4 different light modes: blue for deep cleansing, red for collagen production, green for lifting and firming, and a special eye mode. Experience a comprehensive skincare routine in one device. With its large screen display, you can easily select your preferred mode and intensity. It even has an automatic 10-minute shut-off for worry-free use. This device helps to smooth and soften skin, reduce puffiness, improve elasticity, and leave you with a healthy glow. Enjoy a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. It's rechargeable via USB, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Keep your beauty routine on the go, anytime, anywhere. Packaged in a beautiful gift box, it's an ideal present for any special occasion. Give the gift of radiant, healthy skin. What we like? This device offers 4 different modes for customized treatments, all displayed on a large, easy-to-read screen. If you like having options and appreciate user-friendly technology, this massager is for you. It's perfect for those who want a versatile at-home spa experience. Number 3. ADBRIM Cellulite Massager. This amazing machine helps you target stubborn fat and cellulite. It's perfect for postpartum recovery, weight loss, or maintaining your figure. It features a comfortable, ergonomic handle for easy use at home. Save time and money compared to spa treatments. Use it on your abdomen, arms, legs, thighs, and more. It gently massages to help shape and define your body. For enhanced results, use it with your favorite body oil or cream. Just 15 minutes a day is all you need. It comes with 6 washable, replaceable pads made from comfortable, skin-friendly materials. Enjoy a safe and effective massage. What we like? It's designed to target all areas of the body with an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. If you are looking for a convenient way to tone your entire body, this is a great option. It's ideal for those who want to easily incorporate body shaping into their routine. What people say. Great massager. Love the variable speed options. Lightweight and comfortable to use. I love how powerful is it. I also use it for my massage clients. With my masseur knowledge, I target some big, sore muscles with it and they love it. For me, it has helped after my powerlifting workouts and help my skin stay tight and firm. Mainly purchased to lessen the cottage cheese appearance on my gluts, tush and thighs. Though haven't used often for that, so no seen results yet, but found it extremely helpful in relieving any aches, pains, stains after working out on Pilates. No more pain the next day. Absolutely none, and I have a heavy long workout too. This will work even if you don't work out and have some aches or sore muscles. Number 2. UUPAS LED Light Therapy Facial Massager. It's an FDA-cleared device, meeting the highest standards in medical beauty. This means you can trust its effectiveness and safety for skin rejuvenation. It uses a combination of 625 nanometers and 850 nanometers wavelengths to penetrate deep into your skin. This stimulates collagen and elastin production for a more youthful appearance. It features a built-in smart sensor. It activates only upon skin contact, ensuring safe and efficient treatment. It's suitable for all skin types and can be used on various areas, including the forehead, cheeks, eyes, and neck. Enjoy a quick 5 to 7 minute treatment. It's lightweight, portable, and rechargeable, making it perfect for use at home or on the go. Get professional level skincare anytime, anywhere. With this device, you can achieve salon quality results from the comfort of your home, saving you time and money. Enjoy younger looking skin today. What we like. This FDA-cleared device uses red light therapy to promote collagen production and improve skin health. If you are looking for a safe and effective way to reduce wrinkles and improve skin tone, consider this device. It's perfect for those who want professional-level results at home. What people say. This device is easy to use and the warmth on my face and neck is relaxing. After about 3 weeks, my husband told me that he had noticed an improvement on my face. After having several red light therapy sessions done professionally, I figured I would invest in one to use at home. I chose this one because it is FDA approved. It does get warm, it has to be effective. You have to keep it moving. I really can tell a difference on my neck. Skin is much more smooth feeling. This was my first foray into red light therapy, and I'm amazed to say that it works. Someone even asked if I had a facelift. Number 1. 16 PCS Hot Stone Massager. Experience the soothing warmth and therapeutic benefits of hot stone massage in the comfort of your home. This complete set includes everything you need for a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. It helps improve circulation, reduce puffiness, and promote a healthy glow. Regular use can help tone and shape your body, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. It offers flexible heating methods. You can either plug it in directly or heat the stones individually in hot water for a quick and convenient warm-up. The polished stones feel smooth and comfortable against your skin, making them easy to use and clean. Give the gift of relaxation to your loved ones. The sturdy metal box is lined with foam to protect your stones and make storage and transport easy. It's built to last. It's perfect for relieving stress, tension, and pain. Use it to massage various parts of your body for a truly relaxing experience. What we like. This portable hot stone set offers multiple heating methods and can be used for various massage applications. If you are looking for a relaxing and therapeutic massage experience, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who want to relieve pain and tension at home. What people say. My massage tech in AZ used this machine and I peeked to look at what she was using. Ran to Amazon and purchased this baby. Now the device, when in use, is heavy. You need some strong hands to operate this on yourself. If you have a traveling business, you will make so much money. This may you feel like you are underwater, but at the same time, it push your fat. I suggest you use this in combo with a lipo belt that melt the fat. My tech actually pushed some stubborn fat pockets I had been working on for weeks. She pulled this out and after one session the fat was broken down and spread out. When doing a out call, I highly recommend this product. It is very compact, but yet you have enough hot stones to complete a nice massage session. I am a certified holistic body contouring sculptor and this machine has improved the results of my clients. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.